Your Honor, Mr. Tan received a check from Ms. Perez as a payment for goods. The check bounce due to his insufficient refunds. Received the face values of the check plus
Your Honor, Ms. Perez admits the check bounce but claims Mr. Tan knew there were insufficient funds at the time of acceptance. We will prove this constituted a waiver on.
No, Your Honor. Ms. Perez assured me that funds will be available.
Mr. Perez, did you inform Mr. Tan about the lack of funds?
I thought I would deposit the money before he got it.
The court will hear evidence regarding Mr. Tan's knowledge of the efficient found. This is case adjourned until next week. Good morning. We are resuming the case of Tan versus Perez. Attorney General Cruz, you might present your evidence regarding Mr. Tan's aligned knowledge of the efficient found.
Your Honor, I call to the stand Mr. Jose Alma. Mr. Alma, when you present Ms. Perez gave the check to Mr. Tan,
Yes, ma'am.
what did you hear during that investigation?
I heard Ms. Perez she was expecting payment and Mr. Tan should wait a few days before cashing the check and Mr. Tan agreed. Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
Objection overruled. It's a goes to the statement of Attorney de la Cruz.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Mr. Almonte, is it true that you are friends with Ms. Perez? No further question, Your Honor. Your Honor, we maintain that Mr. Tan had no definite knowledge that check would bounce. The witness testimony is based on vague recollections. We reiterate our claim for the face value of the check and damages.
Carefully considered the evidence presented. While the witness testimony suggests Mr. Tan might have some awareness of potential issue with it does not definitively prove he know that the check would bounce. The burden of proof lies with the defense, and they have not convincingly distributed a waiver on Mr. Tan's part. Mr. Perez issuing a check without sufficient funds and ceremony. You had responsibility to ensure the check was paid. Therefore, the court finds in favor of plaintiff Mr. Tan, Mr. Perez, is ordered to pay Mr. Tan the face value of the check, which is assumed the check amount is 20,000 plus. Legal interest were paid. The check was presented, however, given the circumstances